Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Chaitanya, and in today's video guys, I am going to show you how you can do scroll depth tracking in Metapixel. Okay, so guys, this is going to be a custom event and today's video is about this, so make sure to watch this video till the end. So guys, without wasting much time, I am starting this video. Okay, so first of all, what I do is, guys, I click on the new tag here. Okay, after clicking on the new tag, I come to tag configuration here. And what I do here, guys, is select our custom HTML. Okay, after this, guys, what I do here is I type script A here, guys. Okay, so we don't have to waste more time on A. Okay, double inverted commas, and here I also do this script, and here, okay, here guys, see our script has comma. Okay, and after this here I will type our code. Okay, FBQ. Okay, track custom comma. Here guys, look, 1 minute here, C is capital, guys. I had typed it small here. Okay, after that again, single quoted scroll depth stick will also remain capital, guys. Okay, here I make it, sorry, A. After that again, comma. Here after this, guys, here we have to type depth. Okay, double quoted comma. And here we need to type the variable. So which variable will it be, guys? Scroll depth threshold. Okay, after typing this, you have to put a comma here, and then we have to give another variable, page in double quotes, comma, and after giving page, we have to send it with the page URL in double inverted commas. Okay, after the page URL, do you know what we need to do here, guys? Here, we need to add another curly bracket and close it. And then we need to close this bracket and close the A code here. Okay, and after that, we need to name it Metapixel scroll depth. Okay, and we need to trigger this on pages. Okay, here come to the script, click on it, go to trigger configuration, and after going to trigger configuration, set it to scroll depth. Here we need to select vertical scroll depth, and then we need to set up 10, 25, 50, 75, 90, whatever scroll depth you want to track. You track that much. So here I will start with 25, 25, 50, 75, 90. Okay. So here you see we have set up the measurement for scroll depth. I scroll. Okay, on it here, I will save it, guys. Okay, after saving here, we also save that. And after that, the most important step is, guys, we have to do a preview. Here, I click on preview once. Okay guys, here you can see in one line, there's some code error with Metapixel. So we should know how to debug it quickly. Here, I'll quickly open the code and see what the error is, guys, okay? Okay guys, here I am looking at the code. Okay, FBQ. Okay guys, look here. A single quoted comma was left. Okay, and here I will verify once again. Scroll depth. Depth is also done. Scroll depth page. All these things are done here, guys. Okay, and I will save it, guys. Okay, so guys, sometimes a JavaScript error occurs here. Okay, and I will go back to preview. After previewing, look here. Our website will connect now, guys. Okay, see here, we connect our landing page, guys. Okay, guys, we will have to preview again here. Sometimes it doesn't connect, so we have to debug these small issues. So here, guys, you have to learn like this. It is a sometimes you should know how to do small debugging here, okay? And the most important thing, friends, if you are directly watching my video on scroll depth, then I have explained how I typed all this code, why I typed it, and how I did it in the previous video when I created the timer event. Why track custom? Meaning, why did we type track custom to create a custom event? I have explained all these things in the timer video, and I will add the URL of that video in my description box.
So if you don't understand how I directly connected track custom scroll depth, these variables, page variables on the screen, then you will need to watch the timer video. In that, I explained how tracking custom, meaning how track custom is done on Metapixel, along with its documentation. I covered all these things in that video.
Okay, so here guys, see our tag assistant is connected. Let's take a look here, continue. And here guys, see the Metapixel's scroll depth is still not here. Here, what I do is scroll the website a bit, okay? After scrolling, we come here. And guys, you see the event number 12 here, Meta scroll depth, okay? And after scroll depth, if we go into variables, we will see how much percent was scrolled here. So guys, look here. It is 25%. By the way, if I scroll more, maybe we can see 50%, 75% as well. So here, guys, look at 12, 13, 14. On 12, look, guys, here, 25. On 13, 50. And on 14, 75%. So you see, guys, you can track scroll depth like this here in Metapixel with a custom event, okay?
So that was it, guys. In today's video, this was the topic of our video, which we covered today, okay? So guys, the method I showed today was the number one method, okay? In the upcoming method, I will also cover how to do it with the second method if you don't have knowledge of JavaScript, CSS, or HTML. I will cover a topic on how we can do scroll depth event tracking through Metapixel's template. So make sure to follow this channel. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, guys.
So I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, goodbye, take care, and tata. Thank you for watching the video, guys. Okay, bye.